Hello everyone, today it's Ice King Videos, and today I was just browsing YouTube and I came across this. So this is a channel I like to go on called Phone Repair Guru, and I was just watching one of his videos, and then what happened is I was just looking at the screen. Let me try and get to it. As you can see, he's just done a face reveal. Would you look at that? Phone Repair Guru has just done a face reveal. That is incredibly insane. So, as you can see, if we go to Phone Repair Guru's YouTube channel, we don't even see his face in one of them. So that is crazy. He has just done a face reveal of a reflection of a phone screen. Now that is insane. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Ice King Videos. Click the like. Don't forget to subscribe. And many more. Thanks.